If your carpets are looking dull and worn, it might be time for a serious refresh. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best deep cleaning carpet cleaner to tackle dirt, stains, and odors, leaving your floors spotless and fresh. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hoover Scrub Deluxe. The Hoover Scrub Deluxe is a highly capable deep cleaning carpet machine designed to make maintaining fresh, spotless carpets much easier. Its standout feature is the Complete Clean Combo, which uses 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes that gently yet effectively lift embedded dirt, grime, and stubborn stains. The added benefit of heat force technology helps reduce drying time significantly, making it a practical choice for households where carpets need to be ready quickly after cleaning. Versatility is another strong point with this unit. It comes equipped with a range of tools, including a pet tool for tackling stubborn pet messes, an upholstery tool for couches and chairs, and a crevice tool perfect for tight, hard-to-reach areas like along baseboards and in corners. The dual tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, simplifying both refilling and emptying while ensuring no dirty water gets reapplied to your carpets. The Auto Mix feature automatically blends the right ratio of water and cleaning solution, taking the guesswork out of the process and improving cleaning efficiency. The included 8-foot hose and sample cleaning solution give you everything you need to get started immediately. For optimal results, pairing this cleaner with a Hoover carpet cleaning solution is recommended, whether you're targeting pet accidents with the pet formula or tackling everyday messes with their standard cleaning solutions. The Hoover Scrub Deluxe offers a great balance between power, ease of use, and versatility. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around the home without sacrificing cleaning performance. Number 2. Bissell Pet XL. The Bissell Pet XL is designed with busy, pet-loving households in mind, delivering powerful, time-saving carpet cleaning capabilities. What makes this carpet cleaner particularly appealing is its 10-inch clean path, which covers more carpet area with each pass, reducing the time and effort it takes to refresh large spaces. The Bissell Pet XL is tailored to address the unique challenges of homes with pets, equipped with a 4-row deep-reach power brush that works in tandem with powerful suction to extract embedded dirt, tough stains, and stubborn pet messes. The inclusion of Pro Max Clean and Protect formula with Stain Protect technology adds an extra layer of stain resistance, while the bonus Pet Stain and Odor Plus antibacterial formula tackles odors and dander allergens. This machine isn't limited to floors alone. With attachments like the 3-inch tough stain tool and spray and crevice tool, it easily cleans baseboards, stairs, pet beds, and upholstery, allowing for comprehensive above-floor cleaning. A standout feature is its 1-gallon clean water tank, which minimizes interruptions by reducing the number of refills needed during a cleaning session. The Bissell Pet XL is built for convenience and efficiency, with simple setup and easy maintenance. It's an excellent option for pet owners who often deal with fur, accidents, and lingering odors in high-traffic areas. The machine strikes a good balance between portability and cleaning power. Its ergonomic handle and thoughtfully placed controls make it easy to maneuver through rooms and tackle different surfaces. Number 3. Bissell Pro Max. The Bissell Pro Max is a compact yet powerful carpet cleaner designed for homes that need reliable, everyday deep cleaning, particularly in smaller spaces. One of its most appealing qualities is that every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which works to help homeless pets, a meaningful bonus for pet lovers. This machine punches above its weight, out-cleaning competitive lightweight carpet cleaners when it comes to tackling stubborn pet messes and everyday spills. At the core of its cleaning ability is a 4-row deep-reach power brush, combined with strong suction to lift and remove ground-in dirt, pet hair, and stains from high-traffic areas. While its primary focus is on carpets and area rugs, the Bissell Pro Max is also well-suited for cleaning upholstery and car interiors with its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces where larger machines struggle. Another standout feature is its compatibility with Pro Max Clean and Protect formula, which not only cleans but also shields carpets from future stains. This deep cleaning carpet machine offers straightforward assembly, simple operation, and minimal maintenance. The smaller clean and dirty water tanks are easy to fill and empty, making the process quick and mess-free. Portability is where the Bissell Pro Max shines. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to store, perfect for apartments, smaller homes, or anyone with limited storage space. Number 4. Bissell 3588F. The Bissell 3588F is a top-tier deep cleaning carpet cleaner built with power, versatility, and pet-friendly features. Like many of Bissell's products, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, making it a responsible choice for pet owners. One of this cleanet's best attributes is its turbo-strength motor technology, which combines powerful suction with energy-efficient operation and quiet performance. Ideal for pet messes, the Bissell 3588F is labeled as Bissell's best carpet cleaning system for tough pet stains and odors, even those as challenging as skunk odors. It features a max clean mode with 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes that penetrate deep into carpet fibers to lift out embedded dirt, grime, and stubborn stains. Paired with powerful suction, it ensures your carpets are left fresh and deeply cleaned. This carpet cleaner also includes a 35-foot power cord and 8-foot hose, giving you an impressive range to cover large areas without frequently switching outlets. It's well suited for tackling stairs, upholstery, and other above-floor surfaces. The ergonomic handle and convenient onboard tool storage make it easy to use and transport throughout the home. Users appreciate the straightforward maintenance, thanks to its easy-to-remove water tanks and brushes that can be rinsed clean after each use. Its versatility, power, and professional-grade cleaning abilities make it an excellent choice for pet owners and families with high-traffic homes. Number 5. Eureka Pet Turbo. The Eureka Pet Turbo is a lightweight yet powerful vacuum-style carpet cleaner designed for busy homes and pet owners. Weighing only 10 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver and transport from room to room. Despite its compact size, this machine delivers a strong, deep clean across multiple surfaces thanks to its 5 height adjustment settings that allow seamless transitions between hard floors and deep carpets. One of the standout features is its extra-large 2.6L dust cup, which minimizes interruptions by reducing the need for frequent emptying during cleaning sessions. The machine also comes equipped with several onboard tools, including a pet turbo tool, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, making it a versatile cleaning companion. These attachments handle everything from pet hair on couches to dust in tight corners. Pet owners will especially appreciate its ability to tackle fur, dander, and everyday messes with ease. The Eureka Pet Turbo's strong suction and adjustable settings make it ideal for homes with multiple pets or high-traffic areas that require regular attention. The foam filtration system helps capture dust and allergens, contributing to a fresher indoor environment. It's important to note, however, that regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance.